Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. This is part of their 8-year anniversary release that they're releasing, tonight at midnight. So I guess technically Saturday. Either way, so they're releasing over 100 new kits. This is one of them. This is so stunning. When they sent me a picture of this one, I was like, oh, that's dark. And then I realized, oh my gosh, it's like a really dark unicorn. It's very interesting looking. I'm very curious how the colors will lay out. So it's called Companion of Evanescence 2 by Sarah Richter. It is 65 centimeters by 80.9 centimeters. It is a square drill kit. We have our thumbnails on all the different sizes here. Looks like there's 23 colors, including 3 ABs and 2 fairy dusts. So total diamonds is 84,825. It's a nice biggin. So we're going to just jump right into this here. I hope you all are super excited for the anniversary releases. Let's see, I'm gonna set that off. There we go. All right, I'm gonna zoom out just a smidge here. All right, so we have our canvas, we have our colors and our toolkit. Set this off. Okay. All right, we have our standard toolkit, the pen, everything you have to have to complete the kit there. And then we have our colors, which we'll take a quick look at. Ooh, we got a silver card, y'all. So this is their Treasure Quest cards. This is part of something else that you can collect and redeem eventually if you want more information. That is in the description of this video. So you have the name and the artist and like another thumbnail picture. Look how cool that looks. And this is a silver rarity. See right there, silver. So yeah, you can redeem these. There's different rarities and such. Look in the description if you want more info. On the inside, we have our step-by-step instructions and whatnot. This is our sticker sheet. Has our thumbnail picture. Open this up here. All right, look at all that black and white. Oh my gosh. So this is all 23 colors. And we have our special drills here at the end where you see the ABs and the fairy dusts. That is neat. And here's a better close-up of it. Beautiful. All right. So put that aside here, and then we're going to jump right into opening up the canvas. All right. We're just going to undo the plastic here. Slide this out. All right. See if I open it. Oh, it is right side up. Ooh, baby. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. There's the drills here. I'll set that off to the side. Look at this canvas. Oh my gosh. So yeah, if you like some color blocking, this is the one for you. This is like, it is dark and stuff, but like, I think it's going to come out beautiful when completed. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it is rather large. Here we go. Okay, so I already see a lot of 310s in here. Let's go ahead and look at the colors real quick, and then I'll give you a close-up of the canvas itself. I'm curious how many bags of 310 we will be working with. I may not go through each individual drill, but we're gonna see. All right, here comes one strip. All right, so right off the bat, we have this really beautiful, like, let me zoom in. This is like a really beautiful silver fairy dust. Look at all that glitter on there. That's pretty. Okay, so now we're into the 3371s, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags of 3371. Here comes the 310s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bags of 310. That's not as bad as I thought. And then we have 413 here at the end. Sorry, that was probably loud. All right. That was a very evil laugh I just did. Okay, that's the one we already did. Put that over here. Okay. Next up, this is all of our other little highlights, it looks like. We have 535, 338, 318. I'm just kind of skimming through. It's like a lot of grays and like some browns. Okay, here's a multicolor. I'm so sorry, this is not cooperating. So we have 3 big bags of 317, which is like a gray color. Probably should have flipped the canvas over, my bad. This is 160. Okay, so here's 3799. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 3799. Then we have 2 bags of 413. Alright, here's our smaller batches. Probably most of the specials. Alright, so we have 451, 762. Here's our AB, a beautiful brown AB 3861. The white AB 5200. Another really pretty tan fairy dust Z452. Another AB 453 and 822. Alright, so I'm going to flatten this out here and just check really quick where those special drills go. I'll be right back. Okay, so starting with the ABs, we have a lowercase a and what I call like a Christmas tree symbol, and then we have the AB white. So the A and the Christmas tree I see right in here, which kind of looks to me like looks like there's a saddle bone, like bone saddle is what it reminds me of, and they're right here within the back of it. There's also this really pretty brown flower. We see both symbols within that. We also have the skulls over here, has the ABs in there. And if we go to the top of the canvas here, so we basically see it throughout, if I zoom out here, like throughout these little decorations on her. And then, what are those? Looks like other like flowers, and one almost looks like a butterfly. Is that a butterfly? They're kind of like jewels, like decorations. Like here's another flower right here. And then the white ABs are right here on the tip of the unicorn horn. And they're also kind of like outlining the nose here and some down here, basically where the light is shining in. Alright, so the really pretty silvery one is the capital H symbol here, and that is throughout the horse's hair, or unicorn, sorry, over here throughout the hair, and along with the hourglass one is also like kind of like lowlights within the skulls and the flowers. So you have both ABs and fairy dusts in those. Overall, this is a very stunning canvas, honestly. Like, it is dark, and I usually don't like obsess about dark canvases. There's a lot of like color blocking, but like with this one, with the highlights and everything, I really do think it's beautiful. There is a lot of the 310s, as you saw, lots of color blocking, but then it gets into the splash of color, and I think that the color parts are going to seriously stand out. I don't know, this one really surprised me. I like it a lot. So let me know if this is on your must-buy list for the anniversary. If you're brand new here, please hit that subscribe button. Also the thumbs up on your way out. And yeah, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos too. So until next time, everyone, happy anniversary shopping. Bye-bye.